He's being highly irrational. He's not complying to what I am saying. That's because... sorry. Wait a minute. Silver, what are you doing? Well, I invited myself now. If you would not understand what I have done to get here. I brought this rockful candle and I licked it. That's preposterous. I did not lick it. You literally just admitted to it. You're not good at lying, aren't you? How dare you, Majin? How dare you imply such a horrific act? I mean, it's kind of true. Shut up, Firey. Ah! Whoa. Holy roly-poly macaroni. You cannot say that. Wait. That's not me, then. Obly goobly weezer beezers. What do you want from me? Nickel? What are you doing here? I thought you got killed by the X guy. Oh no, we got brought back. We did like a red light, green light thing. Oh yeah! Someone told me about that. Wait, is that a rock? Yes, it is. Does it have salt and vinegar? Does it have salt and vinegar on it? Why? Well, Balloony wanted salt and vinegar. He said, well, Rocky wanted... The fog is coming. What? The fog is coming. Run. Nickel's infected! Everyone climb out of the bunker! Why is it locked shut, Double D? I didn't intend for that to happen! Oh good, I got a spare key! Everyone, run! Where are we running to? Just keep following my lead! Eddy? Yeah? Was that you? No, it wasn't. Wait. If that wasn't you, and if that wasn't me... Wait, there were several other people in that bunker. There was Ed, Test Tube, Silver Spoon, the two Nickels, Firey, Maj... Don't worry about it. Shall we ditch him? Yeah, let's ditch him. Oh my! Can I tackle... You licked a rock, dude. Get out! Get out! What the heck? Got here fast. Who are you? And why do you look like... Why do you look like Nickel? I'm Obsidian. Shocked you don't know who I am. Anyway, I heard about this thing that's going around. Wait, you said something about Majin? Well, I have a friend who sounds similar to him. Magnet. I'm sorry. Magnet. God damn it, why does my voice sound like this? Yeah, you were calling? Yeah, I'm right here. What did you want? Well, I was wondering if... I'm sorry. I was wondering if you could help our friend Silva over here. Oh, I'd be delighted to. Is dragon fruit still kicking you these days? Oh, dragon fruit. No, dragon fruit's not beating me up, but I can help you. Is that a torment? I know what to do with. Wait, what are you doing? No, it's burning! Now there's just a huge pit of burning methane or burning tar in the street. Why would you do that? Wait a minute, that's not me. I would never. Wait a minute. Who are you? Hey. Tom, we need to run! Wyatt, oh my god, what the happened to the ground? Tom, you mean what the happened to the floor? Oh yeah! I forgot what the happened to the floor. Is Claudio still around? Why the hell did you mention that? What about Puff Puff? Scott the Waz? Mr. Feast? All of those are completely irrelevant, Ed. No. I do know someone who isn't. Hello? You want me to come there? Okay, AG is sick as but I could still make it. Which AG? Oh, just regular AG. Just AG. AG25 is fine. You want us to come right this minute? Yeah, we can do it. Bye. Ah! We're here. Sorry. My voice is still... Ow, God, that hurt. I thought my voice would have gone back to normal. Well, anyway, I'm here to help. Got my friends, I got Rapper Alex and Dras and H25, and we're gonna help. Like they say, no need to worry. You never said that! Just come with me. Why? Just do it. You're an utter imbecile, my friend. Nobody's ever acted like that around me. Well, except for Paintbrush, but Paintbrush was kind of annoying. What was that? Hey, Paintbrush. Wait, what the? How the heck did you come out that fast? I don't know. Also, I heard what you said. You're gonna get it. Whoa! Get your hands off me. No, you get your hands off of me. Hey, guys, what the?
What the hell? Well, it's kind of... Sorry, wrong voice. What the heck are you guys doing? Isn't it obvious? No, it's not. I can't tell. What the hell is going on?
I don't know. Wait, wasn't Majin with you?
No. Actually, he was with me. I decided to find rewrite for some reason. I told him to get back here, but he just deflected. He was like, sorry, bro, I gotta go find the missing one of cards and play with the rewrite. I told him, no, Dras is staying here. No, you're not fucking leaving, are you? But yeah, that's what happened.
Oh, now I get it. So let's see. Me, Xeno, / Sonic EXE, Lord U, / Lord X, Silver, Paintbrush, AG43, Rapper Alex, AG25, Dras. Who else is here? Let's see. Double D, Eddy, Ed, Firey, Ed and Tom. That's like 15 people, and then there was like Majin, which makes 17. Yeah, 17. And Silver makes 8. There's like 18 people right now. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, sorry. Oh yeah, and Obsidian and Magnet make like 20. There's like 20 freaking people here. Both infected and non-infected. Wait, is it like a zombie thing? No, I wouldn't really call it like that. Also, it's 21. You forgot about Test Tube. God damn it, I did forget. I describe it more as like the common cold. You get it, you're sick. You're not dead. At least I don't hope so, but yeah. We're trying to escape this madness. We were hoping you can help us. Sure thing, I'm willing to help. Yeah, I'm willing to help out too. And there was knife. There was 23 people. God damn it, how many people are gonna show up? Oh God. I have it too. Everyone save yourselves. Just go.
Okay, buddy. So what are we even doing right now?
I assume we're just walking. I have zero idea where we are. What the hell is Candle? I don't think Candle's in this universe. Do I know someone who's close to Candle? Hey, Obsidian, yeah? Do you know where Tidepod is? Silver's looking for Candle, and I know Tidepod acts similar to her. Oh, Candle's in... I'm sorry. Oh, Tidepod's in there. Oh, hey, guys. Candle? Oh, I know where Candle is. I don't know... She's not in the... Actually, no, she's not in this area, but I can take you guys to her. Thank you! I have a certain gift I'd like to exchange. So we're just... Oh no. Save yourself! God damn it, we lost Dras. Now we're like 23 since Dras got infected. No, it was 25 with Fleetway being there. Now it is 23. Hey, what's up? You want me to make a beatbox or something? For Verbalase, we need your help. Sure, what is it? Rapper Alex. Nice to see you. I heard about this virus that's happening. Will it go away if I beatbox? I don't think it works like that. It's more of like a cold. Oh! Verbalase beatboxer from Street to the boss, the base, we're about to take a battle for the world to see. Pennywise, Patrick, Temple, Black Panther. Who's gonna win? The fans have the answer. I forgot some of the lyrics. Well, I'm doing it off the top of my head. Hey guys! We're SpongeBob. Well, I don't know. I heard about that. Heard about the cold thing you guys were going through. Pretty not cool. You're the one to talk. Who said that? You're a colorful bunch. You're a colorful bunch. I saw you jump out of a freaking gun helicopter. My time is running low. I'm here so I can infect all of you before any of you leave, before gun does anything. Run! I love it when they run. I got you. What? You're telling me that didn't work. I thought it did. Anyway, we need to get out of here. No, don't infect me with your virus. Oh God, it's you. Well. Well. If it isn't for Battle for Dream Island, now what exactly do you want? Wow, I want to escape. Escape what? The virus? Yes. Well, who got infected? Who I haven't spoken to? Chain Animations, Salad Fingers, Yin Yang. X got infected, that's why it's not here. I heard the person behind the cold, it's one. Although I don't think they have it, they pass it on. That doesn't make any sense, because we first saw the Bfdi nickel start coughing. So, I don't think it was one. Hey guys, let's chat. Shut up. We're in the middle of a cold. If you say anything else, you're gonna start coughing and take us all down. And we know you're all up for making deals. You're gonna say like, sign this. You all remain untouched, and in return, I get something. I get something in return. Get the actual hell away from us. Come on! I'm really trying to help you. Really? What the hell is this? Give that back. What is he doing here?
Good question. Get out. Yeah, you're acting kind of sus. You're acting very sus.
Found an area to reside. Yeah. Hey guys, let me guess you got sick. Yeah, we're hanging here with you. Oh my God, I gotta get out of here. So, who's in here? Me, the Bfdi nickel, Fleetway, and Dras. Yeah, I got infected. Yeah, me too. You're the one to blame. I got infected too. Great! We got the one played by John himself, Keanu Memes. It's Keanu Reeves, and I prefer you not slander his name. Or what? You're gonna turn me into a Tic Tac? You're gonna shove me down Majin's throat? Nah, you ain't doing Captain Rescue! Erection. I love this video. Doubleman gum. Doubleman gum. It's the right man. Doubleman gum. Doubleman gum. When chewed, it's food. I collected all the cereals. It took 900 years to collect the cereals. Yum. Shut up. I watched you when I was a lad, but I'm still a lad. I'm just an over the average day YouTube poop. Look, Sonic, there's people in their underwear. Yes, I've captured smiling friends. Let smiling friends go. Thanks, man, you saved us. Haha, no. That's a pretty cool erection. You really need some. No, I'm back. I am not racist. I was friends with Soldier Boy. Soldier Boy is ignorant, and you know it. I never want to see your fantastic erection again. Why? Sonic, you hurt Captain Rescue's feelings. Look, Sonic, there's a trap. Tisk. Sonic trapped in the force field. You nasty ass bitch. It was pretty cool. I kind of liked it. Activate the hedgehog dick gripper. Hurry! Yeah, it feels so good. Sonic's going to hell. That part right there. And YouTube, itchy. Why are we watching this? I don't know. Meanwhile, I thought they said they were coming right here. I guess they didn't get the memo, I guess. Well, no need to worry. Or maybe there is. I swear to God. AG25, yeah, AG43. Can we check the channel? How many new subscribers? How many new likes have we gotten? Wait, why are you doing that with your eyebrows? Oh God, you see something, do you? What is it? Scooby Dooby Doo. Right. Dastardly. Are you? Yes, Raggy. But Raggy. No thanks, Dastardly. Please, my friends call me Dick. No! AG, no! No! He's not waking up. What do you mean? AG25's not waking up. He has a pulse, but seems unresponsive.
Yeah, I guess he did.
Well, I guess we better start running the other way. Oh, you're coming with me. Yeah. That was called a one-shot cough. It can cough to do that. It's fine. I'll get there eventually. That's Dawn, isn't it? Dawn, are you okay? Yeah, I'm good. Relax. Don't need to worry. You keep saying that, yet you don't look so good. What do you mean? I look fine. Your face looks flushed. Huh? How can you tell? I've had colds and fevers before. I would know. Also, a lot of people we know are getting sick. Not like sick as in uninterested, but like not feeling good. So I suggest you get out of here before you know what's good for you. Like right now. Get out. What? Get out. AG, are you acting okay? Whoa. I'm fine. Why do you ask? You started saying get out in like a lowered voice. Oh yeah, that. I started stimming for a minute. I don't know why. Or maybe I was stressed. Hey y'all! Scott here. You ever wondered what WISE stood for in Scott the Wise? Well, it's a funny little acronym. And that is Wizard of Zenith! WISE! You think you're getting out scot-free, huh? You think Time Stopper can stop me? Time is just a construct of your imagination. Oh goddamn it, Scott the Waz is here. Why is Scott the Waz here? Hey, you're that guy who has 200 subscribers on YouTube. I'm going to delete your channel and rip off your balls. Now. Well, I'm not going to do the first thing. The balls thing? No, I'm definitely going to do that. I'm going to leave your channel up, but I'm going to rip off your balls. Whose balls? Lord X's, Xeno's, and you and Rapper Alex's. Ah! I need them! Run! Get back here! I never get down. Hey guys. Sorry, but yeah. Actually, no. They're running. Okay, here we go. Patrick, what are you doing here? I just I just came here. It's like a bunch of people are teleporting to this area. A bunch of people are getting sick. The cul-de-sac? Yeah. Is that what you call this massively land? But yeah, exactly, the cul-de-sac. Well, we should get out of here.